children. Okay, so today we are going to do with Mud book number 3, day 18. So look here children. See here, the crocodile mouth is open. So it is called the greater than sign. Here the crocodile face is open on the less than sign. And this is equal to sign. So we are going to do this exercise now. Okay? Look on the blackboard. See, here 3 signs are there. So you have to choose the sign. जब greater number होएगा, वहाँ पे आपको crocodile का mouth open करना है. And जो number equal होएगा, you have to put an is equal to sign. Okay? So here see the number 3, 5, 35. A box is given and a number 5, 0, 50 is given. तो ये दो नंबर में से कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? Yes, 5, 0, 50. So here the sign will be like that. बड़े नंबर पे the crocodile face is open. So the sign is 35 is less than 50. We say it 35 is less than 50. But the sign आपको ऐसे डालना है. Okay? Yes? Okay. Now the next number. Which number is this? 2, 4, 24. And here the number is 3, 6, 36. Again here the number 3, 6, 36 is big. So here you have to put the sign like that. But while saying we say it 24 is less than 36. क्योंकि ये जो sign है ये less than का sign है. So we say it 24 is less than 36. Now the next number. Which number is this? 7, 7, 77. And which number is this? 3, 7, 37. So which number is big one? 7, 7, 77. So here the crocodile mouth, here the sign will be like that. So what we say it? 77 is greater than 37. Okay? Now the next number. 2, 7, 27. And here the number is 2, 9, 29. So which number is greater than 2, 9, 29? Here the sign will be this. And we say it 2, 7, 27 is less than 2, 9, 29. Okay, now let's see the next number. Here the number is 1, 3, 30. And here also the number is 1, 3, 30. So which sign you are going to put it? Equal to. So equal to sign आपको कैसे करना है? 2 small sleeping lines आपको draw it. Okay. Now let's go to the next number. 4, 4, 44. And here the number is 1, 6, 60. So here the number 4, 4, 44 is greater. बड़ा number है. So here you have to put the sign like that. And we say it 44 is greater than 60. Okay. Now the next number. 3, 4, 34. 3, 6, 36. So here the number 3, 6, 36 is greater. So we have to put a sign like that. So what we say is 3, 4, 34 is less than 3, 6, 36. The next number 1, 5, 15 and 2, 7, 27. Here again the number 2, 7, 27 is greater than. But while saying we say 15 is less than 27. 15 छोटा number है. So we say it less than 27. Now the next number 2, 1, 21 and 2, 4, 24. Here again the number 2, 4, 24 is greater than. And 2, 1 is less than. So while saying we say it 2, 1, 21 is less than 2, 4, 24. Okay? So today we have done it greater than, less than and equal to sign. This is the homework part for you. Parents, while doing it, please help the children and guide hide them. Okay. Now let's turn to the next page. Here again a craft is there. So if you have a craft paper, you have to cut an oval shape black paper and you have to stick it in the oval size, and here you have to make a feathers, and here you can draw with a pencil the neck and the legs. So this craft is also a homework for you. You can do it at home with the help of your parents. Okay? Now here this is an activity. Here circle the vegetable and cross the fruits. तो यहाँ पे आपको circle करने हैं vegetables को and you have to put a cross to the fruit. See, what is this? Apple. So this is a fruit. So put a cross. And this is coriander leaf. So here you have to put it tick mark. Circle. You have to circle it. Okay, this is a lemon. मतलब नींबू. It is a vegetable, so you have to circle it. What is this? Mango. Here you have to put a cross here. This is garlic, ginger. What is this? Ginger. So here you have to circle it. The mint. Here you have to put a circle. It is a vegetable. This is an orange. So cross it. This is chili, green chili. So circle it. Then a radish. Circle the radish. Grapes. Cross it. And turnip. It's a vegetable, so you have to put a circle around it. So you have to do this also as a homework at home. So now here is the reading part. आपको reading करना है. Ben, Ben. S-H-E, she. S-E-E-C. What it is? Ben, she, see. Now read it. B-E-N, Ben. H-A-S, has. A, R-E-D, red. H-E-N, hen. Ben has a red hen. Next. S-H-E, she. I-S, is. A, P-E-T, pet. H-E-N, hen. She is a pet hen. Next slide. T-H-E, the. H-E-N, hen. I-S, is. W-E-T, wet. The hen is wet. Next. S-H-E, she. I-S, is. I-N-N, a P-E-N, pen. She is in a pen. Next. A, N-E-T, net. I-S, is. B-Y, by. T-H-E, the. P-E-N, pen. Or net is by the pen. Now the next one. T-E-N, ten. M-E-N, men. S-E-E-C. T-H-E, the. W-E-T, wet. H-E-N, hen. 10 men see the wet hen. Now the next one. D-I-G, dig. D-I-G, dig. D-I-G, dig. S-E-E-C. T-H-E, the. B-I-G, big. P-I-G, pig. See the big pig. Next. T-H-E, the. P-I-G, pig. H-A-S, has. A. W-I-G, wig. The pig has a wig. H-E-E. I-S, is. I-N-N. A. P-I-T, pit. He is in a pit. The next one. T-H-E, the. P-I-G, pig. H-A-S, has. S-I-S, 6. F-I-G-S, figs. The pig has 6 figs. C-A-N, can. T-H-E, the. P-I-G, pig. D-O, do. J-I-G, jig, I-N-N, T-H-E, the P-I-T, pit. Can the pig do a jig in the pit? Now the next one. S-I-D, sit. A-R-E-R. S-I-D, sit. I-S is a K-I-D, kid. Sit is a kid. H-E, H-A-S, has. A T-I-N, tin. He has a tin. A N-I-B, nip. A-N-D, and. A P-I-N, pin. A-R-E-R. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. S-I-D, sit. A nip and a pin are on the sit. A B-I-B, bib. I-S is. O-N, on. S-I-D, sit. A bib is on sit. S-I-D, sit. I-S is. B-Y, by. Or B-I-N, bin. Sit is by a bin. T-H-E, the. B-I-N, bin. H-A-S, has. A L-I-D, lid. The bin has a lid. Okay, so we have completed with day 80. Okay, so now we are going to do with day 90. Okay, children? See here, write numbers 61 to 70. Here I have written it and on the blackboard. Write numbers 61 to 70. T means 10, O means 1. 6, 1, 61. 6, 2, 62. 6, 3, 63. 6, 4, 64. 6, 5, 65. 6, 6, 66. 6, 7, 67. 6, 8, 68. 6, 9, 69. 7, 0, 70. So children, your T is given. T means tens and O means 1. So you have to write it according to the formation. So please do it as a homework at home. Now let's turn to the next page. Again here is a worksheet of numbers 61 to 70. This also you have to do it at home as a homework. Now let's turn to the next page. Read and understand. See, this is tree. बड़ा प्लांट जो होता है उसको ट्री बोलते हैं और स्मॉल प्लांट्स दे आर कॉल्ड श्रब. बिग प्लांट्स जो बहुत सारे बड़े प्लांट्स होते हैं जैसे मैंगो ट्री बहुत बड़ा होता है सो इट इज कॉल्ड अ बिग ट्री बोलते हैं और स्मॉल प्लांट्स उसको बोलते हैं श्रब. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट प्लांट्स. सी दिस इज अ ट्री. A tree is a big plant. Tree क्या होती है? Big plant होता है. A shrub is a small plant. Shrub क्या होते हैं? छोटे से plants होते हैं. Now here, circle the tree and tick the small plant. तो आपको जो बड़ी tree है उसको circle करना है, small plants को tick mark करना है. So this tree is a big tree ना. So here you have to put a circle. ये circle करना है. यहाँ पे स्मॉल श्रब दिख रहा है तो यहाँ व्हाट यू हैव टू पुट इट और टिक मार्क. हियर अगेन इट्स अ बिग ट्री सो पुट अ सर्कल मार्क हियर. नाउ हियर अगेन इट्स अ स्मॉल प्लांट तो आपको टिक मार्क करना है. सो हियर अगेन इज अ बिग प्लांट तो यहाँ पे यू हैव टू सर्कल इट एंड दिस अगेन इज अ स्मॉल प्लांट सो इट इज कॉल्ड अ श्रब सो यू हैव टू पुट अ टिक मार्क. A tree is called a big plant. A tree is called a big plant. जो बड़ी सी tree होती है उसको big plant बोलते हैं. And जो small plants होते हैं, it is called a shrub. Okay. See here. Draw a line from the plant to the food we get from them. So you have to draw a line. This is a plant. तो आपको plant से क्या क्या मिलता है? You have to draw it. See this bread. It is wheat आता है, wheat से bread बनता है ना, so we get it from the plant, so match it here. Now here, rice, वो भी अपन we get it from the plant, so match it with the rice. Plant को rice से match करना है. Fruits, apple भी we get it from a tree, so we have to match it here, children. Egg मिलता है? No. Chicken? No. Ice cream? No. Milk? No. Only we have to draw the line from the plants to the food we get from them. Now, here is the next question. Different plants have different leaves. Match it. हर एक plant को अलग-अलग पत्ते होते हैं, leaf. So you have to match it. See, this is a banyan tree. So the leaf for the banyan tree is here. So match it here. From here you have to match it to the last one. Now the lotus leaf. This is the lotus leaf. So match it here. Then this is a neem. Neem tree. Neem के पत्ते ऐसे होते हैं. And wheat. Wheat, the leaves are like that. So match it to the leaves. So different plants have different leaves. हर एक plants को अलग-अलग leaves होते हैं. So you have to match it according to that. So today we have completed with day 18 and day 19. Okay? Bye bye. See you. Meet you tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank you.